Hey guys, Beagle here, and I'm here with
Odin Wolf, hello.
And today we are gonna play Jenga in Fursuit. So Jenga is a game where there are 54 stack blocks, and I think everyone knows what Jenga is.
Wait, you remember the number of them?
Yeah.
Oh.
I built it in your Minecraft server.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh my god, that's cool. Okay.
So we're gonna play with our Fursuit paws on, because we're furry trash and this is what we do.
This is what we do.
So you wanna go first?
Yeah, I wanna go first. Alright, here we go. I'm scared. This is gonna be so difficult. Like, it's ridiculous, but I feel like, oh my god. You just look at it funny and it's already toppling. No. Okay, what if I go down here? No. Yeah, oh. Oh. Nope. 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 Woo! I did it. I got one.
You gotta put it on top.
What?
You gotta put it on top.
Oh god.
Hey.
Hey! Alright, Beagle, good luck.
Oh my.
That's no.
That's half the
That's
tower.
not gonna work. Beagle, no. Oh my god.
What have I done?
Push it back.
Just push it.
Fix it. Yeah, that did it. Yep. Oh my god, how is it not falling yet? Yep, this will go well. Yep.
No, it didn't fall yet.
It hasn't fallen yet.
I fixed this.
Okay.
I fixed it.
Oh,
I think I lost.
no, let's just keep going. Just try to fix it. It's fine. My YouTube career. Come on. Let me help.
Yeah. Odin touched the last
What?
one.
What?
Yeah.
Is that how it works, even though they already fell?
No.
Oh. I was gonna say, Beagle's a cheater.
Well, I guess I'm going first this time.
Good luck. That's already just... What?
Ooh.
Oh, that was clean. No!
Ah!
No! Crap. Okay. So... Oh. Oh. Oh, boy. Okay. Ooh. Oh. Oh. Bam!
Oof.
Your move. I would not put pressure on it. Congrats.
So this is the hardcore round.
What up? Wait, you're not gonna explain that we're not having paws on?
I think they can tell that this is different. There's a slightly different setup to make it.
It's the Majira opening mail round.
Right.
Yeah. Oh shoot. You practiced.
Well, I'm a Jenga master.
Oh shoot.
I beat Jenga on my first try, remember?
Let's just make it difficult right away. How about that? We can beat it. You can beat it?
I beat it.
How do you beat Jenga?
You just play until you can't do anything.
Come on. There you go. Oh. I almost messed it up already.
What do I do with my hands when I'm not wearing clothes?
What do you do with these human hands?
Oh no, it can't. This one can't come out because of the lip on the surface.
Uh-oh.
Ooh.
Just put it back, maybe?
Tricky. You can't move the block, move the tower.
Wow. No, Beagle.
I just moved the whole tower to get the block out.
This is intense. Oh. How does... No. What?
Yeah, I like to play with
You're just aggressive. You're just like, nah. Your move. Oh. That looks bad.
Okay, maybe that's too much.
No, do it. Oh, that's not gonna be good either. No. Do
Hold
it.
up.
Do it.
Alright.
I'm the champion. Do it.
Alright, we're going with this one.
That's not.
I'm committing to this one.
That's not gonna go. Yeah, this is
No.
it. No, this is it.
No.
What?
Alright. Yeah, slow down.
No. Oh my god. Oh yeah. How's it feel? Jenga champion.
That's the first game I've ever lost.
Wait, really?
Well, with human hands. Actually, it's the second game I've played with human hands.
Okay.
Hi, this is the outro because the camera stopped, so this is Fursuit Jenga without pause on and with pause on. Hi,
Could you sound more timid? Yeah, Kai, welcome to Beagle's channel. We're just gonna be doing some ASMR today. Do some ear-to-ear whisper.
what?
Damn it.
Hi, this is my outro, and here's bread. There's a flat bread.
No, you were supposed to acknowledge it.
Alright, cut the video.